Alrighty guys, hey there everybody, your pal Jonathan Baker here. Welcome to hashtag 72 and a good morning. As you may know, my dad and I are fixing to change the oil. Anyway, hopefully get the tires right. Now these right here guys, these are car ramps. That's the number one thing you want to get when you change your oil and stuff.
Run your car over here.
Alright. Here, I got a good idea. I'm gonna go ahead and set my camera down. Alright, that's a good spot. Okay guys, got the car right on there. You see how I did that? Now you want to make sure you get the car on there. Alright. Make sure you get the car. Whoa, where did this come from? Look at there, there's a lid. Okay, now all we need is oil and the filter. Okay. Now, all right. All right, guys. Now, if you drive a car like that one right there, this would take at least that. Anyway. Ow. change, ain't you? That's good. Alright, now, your next step, to get the hood up, is to go ahead and find your oil pan and get ready to, you know, might want to watch out the dog.
I'm getting me a couple bricks off of by the air conditioner.
Alright. Hey, it is. Oh, you know what? There's your lock. Couple bricks. Alright. Is the dog in his cage?
Set it behind the back door.
Ah. Here we go. Ouch. I need another one to the other wheel. All right. Be back, guys. Ah, crap. I thought you were in your cage. Let's see. No, I don't want the dog getting out. Wolverine, where you at? You're not in here, are you? I hope not. Oh yeah, guys, and look at this. This is the end. Why? You get out of here. You go on. Go on. Oh, ouch. Ah. You behave yourself now. Ouch. Doing okay this morning, huh? That's good. Well, alright. You're gonna have to move over. Whoa! Oh! No, Wolverine! Wolverine! Stop it! Wolverine, would you mind getting out of the way? I can't hold this. Ouch! No, Wolverine, you go. Wolverine, I got some work to do. Come on. Go on. No? What do you mean no? No, you're not getting out of the yard. You're not running away from home again. You go. Go on. Go. Go. You want your toy, huh? No, Wolverine, you're not getting outside. Hey. Go on. Hey, Dad, I need some cover over here. Hey, don't start without me. This dog is trying to... No. Go on. Go. You go. I'll put you in your cage. Go on. No, you go on. Here. You go. Wait a second. What is that? You been eating my dad's cucumbers? He's gonna beat you. You stay. I'm gonna tell my dad on you. Man, he's gonna really have dog for dinner now. No, you stay out. No, Wolverine. No, you're not running away again. You go on. You mind me. No. No, Wolverine. You mind me and you be a good boy. Go on, go. Go. No, Wolverine, you're not going. Ah. Jeez. Oh. You always want to make sure. Well, yeah. I'm over here. I just got one more brick for the back. You want to make sure that you always have bricks behind your car. That way, when you're out doing all kinds of stuff. Hey, Dad, where you at? Dang dog. Alright. There's Dad right there. His hat. Alright, so to take a look under the car, here's the oil thing. Now this is your cone. You're going to need your cone for a lot of things here. Alright. Now, your pan, whatever it is.
Alright, get on that.
Huh?
Crawl on there and get a hold of the filter. Slide that.
What's the filter?
Wherever it's at. Do you remember where it was? It's right here. Fit?
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Take your gloves and unloosen it.
Alright. I'm doing. So, the deal or the filter?
The filter. Unloosen it. Take it off first.
Okay.
You get a hold of it with the gloves and let the filter drop down in the oil pan.
You could go ahead and start filming me if you want. My camera is over here. Alright,
the filter is right there. See the filter on the car?
Yeah.
Turn it counterclockwise. Get a hold of it and turn it. This way.
Oh, that way.
Counterclockwise. Get a hold of it and turn it.
I am turning it.
Alright. Did it loosen?
No, it didn't loose. What is that noise? Don't worry about it, John. Do I have to get a wrench to get it
No,
loose?
it's hand tightened. Now get a hold of it and turn it. You get strong, boy. And let me get a hold of it.
Yeah, you're probably gonna have to get a hold of it. I can barely get a hold of it.
See right here?
Yeah.
Just get it.
You probably tighten it too tight, but you know. Yeah, you probably did.
There.
Did you get it?
Now, you take it the rest of the way off.
Alright.
Take it the rest of the way off.
Dad, that's the wrong way.
Alright.
Alright. There we go. Alright guys, now remember, you gotta take your filter off.
Alright, and then when you get it off, drop it down. Don't drop it, lay it down in the oil bucket.
I think my head hurts. That's okay. I know what I'm doing. Oh, oh, whoa, whoa. Too much oil coming off that thing.
Alright, take your gloves off. Don't drip it on it.
Whoa.
You ain't supposed to get it all over you.
I know that. Oh well, I got one good glove.
Take the other glove off. You don't want it all over your camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, wipe your hands on that.
Oh.
Alright, now then.
Now what?
You get a wrench.
And then you get that lug nut loose.
You get that. You get this bolt right here loose.
Okay.
Find the wrench that goes on it. I don't know what size it is.
Yeah, I know.
It ain't that size.
It's got to be another size.
You document the size of the bolt once you do it the first time. That way you don't have to look for the bolt. You write it down.
That's not it. Yeah.
I don't know what size it is.
It's that size right there, isn't it?
11/16. It ought to be a metric size.
A metric.
You don't want to strip your bolt.
Yeah, because you had accidentally stripped some.
16 millimeter or 17 millimeters. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. Ouch. Yeah. This hashtag might be a little long, guys, but that's okay. My dad's at least teaching me how to do the oil and stuff.
I don't know if it's 16 or 17, but you don't want to strip your bolt. It ain't that one. That one's loose. See how it wobbles?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I see how it wobbles in there.
I don't know what size it is. I'll have to go get some.
Alright, well you better be careful. The dog is over there. He's ready to get out. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Well, this is fine. At least you're learning something. Now, this is good for new and beginners. Yeah. Anyway, I need to go ahead and grab some paper towels or something so I can wipe the oil out from under there. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, oil, or no. Aha, there's some right here. You always want to make sure if you get oil on there, you always want to go ahead and wipe it. You always want to go ahead and wipe it. Oh. Ow.
It's the socket size is a 17 millimeter.
17 millimeter.
Yeah.
It's the same as my tire size.
17 millimeter. Alright.
Yeah. 17 millimeter. The guys where that oil is, I'm gonna make sure.
And on my truck, it's a 15 millimeter. Okay.
Wiping up the mess I made.
Yeah,
Dad.
yours is a 17. On my truck, it's a 15. Remember that.
A 15 on your truck, an 18 on
On
mine.
the 17.
A 17. Okay.
Alright.
There we go. That should wipe the oil and stuff.
Alright, leave that underneath the deal. Put that should loosen it counterclockwise. Alright, put your wrench on there and pull this way.
Alright.
Alright, pull. You're gonna have to get more behind it. Get a hold of it and pull on it, both hands. Alright, hold it and I'll get it loose for you.
I can't even get it
You
loose.
ain't very efficient.
Oh, hey, I need you to teach me, Dad.
See, get it up where you can get under it. Oh, I'm tightening it.
Yeah, you
Alright,
tightened it.
Go the other way.
That's why I couldn't turn it.
It goes counterclockwise.
Be careful.
Sometimes you have to get the wrench, or you can get a leverage on it.
Good.
Woo. There, it busted loose. Once you get it loose, slide your bucket back under it. Alright, you take it the rest of the way.
And you'll be filming me. Okay.
And try not to get oil all over your hand. Then once you get it loose, take your hand and take it out. Try not to get it all over the, slide it where it catches the most oil.
Easy. Once I open it, it'll start spewing out. Are you getting it, Dad? Whoa. Ooh. Okay, I got some paper towels, Dad.
Alright, don't drip that. Here,
Yeah, I'll just put it in there.
have me the paper towel.
Don't worry, it's over here. Alright. Now when you see it coming out, guys, you want to make sure you have your oil pan and all kinds of stuff. Ouch! Hey, you're getting oil on your fingers, Dad. Oh, that's how much I had left. Right there.
Where's the paper cup?
There's a dirty one over here. There's...
Then on you here, wipe this off. Where your filter goes, make sure there ain't no contaminants or dirt. Make sure you wipe it off.
Yeah.
Now then, let that finish draining and hand me your oil filter.
Alright.
Get your oil filter.
Okay.
Alright, you take a dab. Oh, they put a sealant on there. Hold that. Make sure you take the plastic off your filter.
Uh-oh.
Take the plastic off your filter. Make sure it's clean.
Yeah.
Look at your O-ring. Make sure it's on there. Take your finger, get your little oil, and get ready and just take your finger and smear your oil on your O-ring where it won't do any sizing. Now then, take that and put it up there and screw it in. Don't cross thread it. Make sure it's in there right and screw it in.
I got it.
Don't cross thread it.
It goes like that? Right, Dad?
Well, is it tightening up?
Yeah.
Alright, screw it in. You got it?
Yeah.
All the way to the engine block. Alright, tighten it up. Hand tighten it once you get it there. Because you don't want to lose your oil coming out. Hand tightened.
Is it tight? Check it.
That's hand tight. That's good enough. Now then, get up and take the filler cap off where it gives some air to the engine where to finish draining. Take your filler cap off.
All right. God, how tight is it on there? I can barely get it off of there. You might need a socket for this one.
Take your filler. Don't let it get contaminated. Always try to keep it clean. Alright, come back under here. Once your oil finished draining, get your plug, wipe it off, make sure you clean it and inspect the threads.
Yeah.
Make sure it's all clean.
Okay.
And you don't want to get any contaminant into your engine. So you wipe that off, take your filler plug, put it back in.
Alright, it is there. Well, it's still dripping. Hold
Well,
on.
it don't matter. It's gonna drip from now on. Just put your plug back in it. Alright, hand tighten it. Now you have to tighten this up, so change it the other way where to tighten up on your socket. You're going the wrong way. You're loosening. You need to turn the pivot on that here. You turn this here. That there, turn it that way. Now then, tighten it up.
So go the way I was going.
Yeah, now then tighten it up. There we go. Tighten it up. If it comes undone, Jonathan, you burn your engine up.
Yeah.
So tighten it up as good as you can. Pull on it tight. Alright, that's good.
Okay, check it.
I'll check it. But you don't want to burn your engine up. The filler plug come out. So you want to make sure your oil deal is good and tight. There you go. Now then, you got that. Get out from under it. Okay. Document the size of it's a 17 millimeter socket that goes in your car.
Yeah.
Okay. Now that drain your oil out.
Yeah.
Drain all your oil out.
Yeah. Now,
Okay.
what?
You got your filter.
Yeah. I got my
Got your
filter.
oil plug in.
Yeah, I got those already.
Alright.
Now I'm gonna set that in there.
See the grass?
Yeah.
Make sure you look at this to make sure it's clean, because that grass will get on your rings and run them. Make sure it's clean. No dirt, no lint. Put that in there and fill it up with your oil.
All right.
How much does it hold? How much oil does your car take?
Let's see. I think it's in the book or something. Or
Doesn't it take 4 quarts?
yeah, it takes 4 quarts of oil.
That's 5-quart container. Hand me the rag.
All right.
It's gonna be off. When you fill it up, you let it off the deal. Put 4 quarts in there. And it'll be on the side where you can look. When it starts getting nearly empty, look on your oil deal and it'll show you how many quarts you put in there. You still like a quart
Yeah.
if it holds 4 quarts. You don't want to overfill, because that ain't good for your valve. See where it's at? Right there. It's on 1 quart in this bucket.
Yeah.
If it holds 4 quarts. Alright. Take your blocks out behind the car. Move them away from the back and the fence. Move that one. Alright, get in your car and take the emergency brake off and let it dry. Don't start it. Take it off and put it in gear and let it roll down. Don't start it.
Got it.
Take
Put it in
your,
neutral.
yeah, put it in neutral, take your brake off. But you have to put it in gear for it to roll down.
Hey, that's the first time I did that.
Put it in gear and let it neutral and let it roll down easy. And get off the brake.
I'm off the brake.
Alright. Sometimes you can start it, but just stop. Alright, get out of the car. Put your brake on. Set your brake, put it back in park.
Alright.
Now then, you want to check and see your fluid, because it's going to be in the bottom of the motor. You're going to look and see how much fluid you got in there before you start it. It holds 4 quarts. You're right there. You're right on the money.
All right.
See, it's right there at the bubble.
Mm-hmm.
Right there is where you need to be.
Yeah.
It's 4 quarts. So, alright, now then,
You want me to start the engine and...
start the engine and we'll look for oil leaks.
Yeah. No, actually, just hold it like that, Dad. Now, check under the car when I start it, Dad.
Yeah. See if you got any oil leaks.
1, 2, 3.
Alright. Take the camera and look under there. Look in there, see if there's any oil leaks.
Yeah.
Alright,
Come
feel
down
it?
here and check.
Feel it?
Everything looks good. So guys, I hope you're learning from all this video. This is
Alright. Now then check your oil again. See where you stand. See right there when it got up in the engine, it's right there. It filled up the filter, so you're gonna have to put a little bit more oil in there.
yeah.
So unloosen this, put you a little bit more oil.
Alright, I'll grab this right here. The remaining.
Not all of it. It holds 4.5 quarts in. Pour you in a little bit, and that ought to do it.
Alright.
Alright, put your cap on that.
Wherever it is.
You took it off.
There it is.
Put the cap on.
Alright.
Alright, let's check it again.
Alright.
You're right on the money. See where it's at?
Yeah.
It's full.
Alright. Well, good to go.
Pull it back out to where you parked it.
I'm gonna start it again, Dad. And I need you to come over and check for leaks. Alright. Now you want to make sure that under your car how we look under there, Dad?
Good. Pick up the trash. Get your oil.
Alright. You wanna make sure you're taking a look at that. Alright. There we go. Now, the next step. The next step is to reset your gauge. Hold it for about 5 seconds. Let it reset. And when you see it blinking, there we go. Alright guys, you see how that's done. Got 100% of oil in there. They're pretty good. Alright guys, I hope this video was, oh crud, I'm zooming in way too much. There we go. I hope this video was very helpful. So anyway guys, go ahead and kill it. We're good on oil and stuff, so that's pretty good. Need a little more coaching though, but I'm getting there. My dad has to instruct me every step, you know, because I only had this car for 2 years, nearly. All right. Yeah.
I want you to take this oil and turn it in down there at Walmart.
At Walmart?
Yeah, this used oil.
So I just give it to whoever's working
Yeah,
there?
go back there in the back and you'll sign your name. You gotta, I want to empty the used oil in that bucket. Come over here.
All right.
Bring me that.
All right. Let me set the camera down. All right. So after you're done with your oil,
Bring me that. Don't tilt it though. Bring it over here. Hold it like that.
all right. Bring the oil out. Oh, bring the match.
Off the car already. Take the lid off.
Tap the top. Alright. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, look how long we did it. Oh wow. Anyway, the oil has been changed. We're completely at 100%. Doing pretty good. Alright, Dad's got some more oil buckets. Here, I'll clean that. You want to make sure you don't get oil on your fingers when you're wiping up a mess like this. Alright. Anyway. Hey Dad, you know what would be better besides paper towels? Oil dry. You put it on oil, it'll soak it up real good.
Damn it. I got too much oil in there. Alright, wipe the drip off going down. Oh.
Dang, you're getting a lot of oil everywhere, you know. Hey, watch your. Hey, I heard that.
Alright, finish wiping that up. Go get a little Dawn.
A little Dawn dish soap. Alright, hold on. Alright, go get a little dish soap. Alrighty guys, I hope everything was helpful. Change oil. There we go. That's just pretty good. Now if you need, well, what's this? Oh, that's nice. Alright, we need a little dish soap. Got the dish soap here. A little Gain will get that out. Good for washing dishes. Alright.
Yeah, put a little Dawn on it. I want you to take all that oil to Walmart.
Alright, it'll put a little on there. There we go. Actually, way too much. I just put way too much on there. Yeah. But anyway, guys, we hope this video was very helpful. I know my fingers feel weird. I feel oily. That's okay. Well, I don't have anything on my fingers. Might need to wash it though. Might need to wash my fingers though. Let that soap set for a minute.
You didn't get no oil on your shoes, did you?
Let me check. No. No. I didn't get no oil on my shoes. There we go. Always good to use soap. There we go. Oh. And why I need it. soap on my hand. There we go. Alright. Alrighty, guys.
Alright, come on, John.
Alright, hold on, Dan. Now, I'm coming. So anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more content and comment in the section below. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And come back for hashtag 73. What? Oh, I'm still working on that. Oh. You want me to go ahead and unlock the door. So with your used oil, go ahead, place it in the bag. So it's just 2 containers.
No, they're all sitting all over there. Go get them.
Go get them. Alright guys, always remember, keep it rocking. See y'all later.